Greetings all. Welcome to LMH Storytime. Today's book, Llama Llama, Sand and Sun by Anna Dewdney. Llama Llama at the beach. Sunblock, hats, one towel each. Buckets, shovel, sand to dig. Llama makes the castle big. Play in water, splash and splish. Llama swims just like a fish. Such surprises in the sea. What does Llama Llama see? Surfing seashells, sand and sun. Happy beach day, so much fun. The end. Thanks for reading Llama Llama, Sand and Sun with us on LMH Storytime. If you like this story, help our channel grow by hitting the like button, sharing it with a friend, and leaving a comment about this story or other stories you'd like to hear. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new story. We'll see you next time. Happy reading.